Hadirin bakat maktin nak benta ke election shitang samoy ha gambegre kala nang kluj hadirin baladap penbena ya katarik tap vote ki Nongïalam ka Seng BJP kin se Ïakynduh lang ha Nongbah New Delhi ha ka arpoi terik urisau ban Shimrai Halor u Kyrtong na ka benta ke election. Nongïalam ka Seng BJP uba AL hek ulaong baki don Khatduh kat ningut ki batrang ban yo tiket na ka Seng wat la kat taru la yo jingtep pat ba UMDC katura uba nat marak udai ubah Khatduh na ka benta ban yo ya ka tiket na ka Seng BJP. Ki Nongïalam ka Seng hajila Meghalaya ki syania ha ki skim sarkar pedeng kum kalat ban penklan ya ka Seng ka bala penkrep ha ban ya aireng ha ka election.
We have already taken the name of the candidate. Now tell me, the party, they are going to set up the candidate for the Gambangre by-election. We are going for a meeting on the 21st to Delhi to discuss this with the national level. And also we have discussion virtually discussion with the national leader to set up the candidate for the by-election. The NDA government led by the Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi. There are so many schemes it is given for the poorest of the poor, for the poor people. There are so many development been doing from the central government. That is our mantra. But it is up to the choice of the people.